All right, you guys know I have been tracking ICT for years, following his scams, and back out on Twitter when we exposed and saw and we found Michael J. Huddleston's name listed, as well as AstroFX. Those were the two biggest ones that we found in the list at this broker that was renting these servers out. And I'm just going to show you guys again, the original video got taken down, then it was on Twitter, and of course my whole Twitter account back then got banned. Lost that. Then once we came back out though and exposed this through other accounts, ICT knew that the hammer was coming down and cracked. He deleted his entire Twitter base, then on Instagram as well. But we are bringing this back to light because a lot of people need to know how the scam worked. You remember when he was running that MT4 server BS showing the fake $5.8 million wins, and everybody's like, oh no, that was totally legit. Oh really? Listen, we showed it before and that video got taken down. Here is another one. Here is how it's done. And all that little swipe to the right showing that it's a live account thing. Let me show you guys how easy this is on that MT4. If you wonder why he kept using MT4 all the time, watch this video. We've got more on top of this to come, but this is a great start. I want you to watch this video very closely. Here's how it's done.
Right, I've been told I've got to make this video a bit shorter. There is a much longer one, but A, it's got a few bits and pieces on it that I didn't want people to see. And secondly, Tom said shorten it up big time. So I will do. Okay, so we're logged into MT4 Manager at the moment. This is a live version of this. So if I can make myself an account, Adam Webb. All right. I'll delete that off there, but later, but nothing on there. And I've also made myself another one called Adam FX. All right. Which is sitting in there, and that's got 46 grand in it. But you can also see the history. Let's just do that the last 3 days. And if we go into the phone, which I'll just, right.
Yep, you notice that's why they always do it on the phone.
My daughter. Right, okay, so here you go. You can see this account is live. I don't want to expose what broker it is we're using, but you can and I can kind of put any trades in. You'll see what's going on today.
Over the right.
You'll see that matches. So let's just let's do some things. Okay. So first of all, let's put a new order in the market. So what have we got going?
That's how they always prove it, right? They're like, whoops, slide to the right. See, it's live. Watch how this works, folks. Remember, they're connecting to their own server. They control it, and they can make it look like it is live because you are your own broker. That's how it works. The server software makes you the broker. Think about that.
On here, let's sell.
This is the back end.
1,000 cable. I'm not sure what the limits for that. Actually, let's give myself some more money first. Just keep it quick. So this, just while I'm doing this, there's hundreds of these servers. They're all over the place. All of these guys just either rent them. They're brokers that are fronting, that are false brokers. There's literally hundreds of these. So let's make a deposit. We'll go in here. Let's put $1 million in the account. So let's go full Astro.
That's how they do it.
And we just give this a code. So D for deposit. Put this code in here. OK. ZHZC. Bosh. There we go. There's a mill. So let's just check this down on here. See if that mill's arrived. Remember it was 46 grand. So take that up here. There we go. So where's that deposit? So let's have a quick look here. Balance has now got the mill in it. And let's just have a quick look there. Oh yeah, the original deposit of this was half a mil I faked, but you can see here I've just put an extra mill in, right, just to keep it going. Right, so let's now do that trade. So we'll go back here, Adam FX. Here's the trade, and we'll go here, and I can now go, right, 1,000 lots. So what was the high in cable today?
Put in any number you want.
123.60. Okay, so let's just move that to 123.60, and we'll sell there. Done. Bosh. Right, so I've already made 662 grand on this already, because it's gone up.
Now, some people might not know what just happened right there. You can go in on the back end and make any trade that you want to show that you made that trade in hindsight or otherwise. That is how he pulled it off to begin with. Let's keep on going.
See if that's represented on the phone. Oh, it's really annoying for some strange reason.
Because that's why I always showed it, right? You always showed it on the phone.
So there you go.
Here's what you guys are always used to seeing in ICT's BS.
But you can see if we go here, open positions, there's that cable position there with the 651k sitting in it. Okay. I've moved this to another screen so it doesn't do that again. I apologise. Come on, there. Right, we're back in again. So Adam FX. Like I said, there is a much longer video. You can see the trade here. So if I wanted to, I can go in, look at that trade here. You can see I can adjust my stop loss. I can even modify where I'm in. and I can even take profit and move my stops as well, which you see that being done all the time. I can close that now. Actually, what I'll do is I'll close on the phone, so you can just see it closed out on the phone. So I'll just hold my finger over it here, so you know it's all live. Close order. Take profit of 663 grand. Bosh, there you go. Check straight away on the screen.
Connection to the server.
So
Done.
there you go. I can do anything I want. Got an account here that I've made for Tom Dante, which has got the logins. There we go. That's I think I called it Tom D. Yeah, it did. Tom D. He's got 10 million already. Let's give him another 5 mil.
Yep, it'll show live.
D for deposit
on Tom's phone.
Put the code in AQQ. And maybe Tom will log in, and you can see that he'll have 15 mil instead of the 10 mil the next time he logs in.
15 million.
Dead easy.
Too easy.
Is there anything else?
Same thing with showing
if you want to
withdrawals,
also see that you've
deposits,
kind of when people say, "Oh, you've got your working
want.
orders," let's just quickly do that. So,
Yeah.
Adam,
Watch
FX.
the orders. Too easy.
All the time, by the way, nothing's changed here. All still real. Okay, nothing's changed. All real. You look like a superhero. Go new order. Let's go. Sell 100 cable. Or sell 100 cable. I don't know. Sell at 127, right? And actually, no, we'll sell them. The market's now 122.90. Let's do it at 123.10. So it's not miles away. So you'll see the entrance appear. So if we go now, change the piece. There you go. If I just, there you go. You can see here, sold 100. And it's at 123.09. Well, the order's at 123.10.
Now, I don't know if you see what's going on there. It's kind of hard to see because it's blurry in this one, but he's showing that he just showed that entry and then, look where the current price is, and it will show the difference of the profit right now. That's how they do it.
There you go. Complete and utter con. These servers are everywhere.
Yep.
They're
MT4.
not expensive to rent. These guys are all
more.
over. There's that trade. I can go into it here. If I open it up, bring it here. I can close
Open
it.
source.
Bosh. Bank the money. Money's in there.
That's why
So
you
if we
should
go
never
now
trust
back to
someone
this, you can
showing
see
you
profits I've just
MT4.
made on that. And
ICT exploited it.
1.73. I've just, the 1 million
continues to
deposit,
run
the
this
46k
exploit
that was
today.
already there. The 600 grand just made in 10 minutes faking the cable, and also the one we just made just turning over 20 ticks on 100 lots for the demo. But basically, you set one of these up, you're 100% legit, you can have any balance you want, any control you want, and really, this is a wholesale global scam that's there to capture pretty much anyone that thinks this shit's real.
Yep. So in right there, this is going to be part 1, and there is much, much more to come. Stay tuned. Ready up.